Do you burn yourself?
Right, I'm going to stick the potatoes I just marinated. I added a bit of garlic granules as well, which I didn't say previously, but I just thought because it was there. So the trick is with it, you need to keep an eye on them. It's not like being in the oven; they take far less time. So check them every 5 minutes, turn them around. It can be done in about 10-15 minutes. And they taste much better, or crispy. I don't think I've wrapped them up as good because I can hear the oil leaking.
What are you cooking tonight, Cocker?
Well, tonight I'm going to do a selection of curries. So I'm going to do a dal. I've already cooked off the lentils, red lentils, really easy. And the quickest ones to cook, take about 10 minutes. That's going to be the dal. Got this pan, heating it up. I'm going to do a selection of curries. Obviously, I'm going to do a couple of veggie ones. So the dal, and then I'm going to do a veggie curry, and then I'm going to do you a chicken curry. I marinated your curry. You had chicken last night, so the chicken that was left, I just put it in there with some curry goodness. So I can't remember what I did last night. I was a bit drunk. There's some curry goodness in there, and that'll be your chicken curry. And for easiness to do, somebody wants a veggie dish and somebody doesn't, I'm going to do the base as a veggie dish, and then I can have my bit, and then I'll just add the other bits to your curry. So I'm just going to add some onion seeds. I would normally add cumin seeds and other seeds, but I haven't. I need to stock up on. So I've got ground cumin. So I'll just wait till these start popping a bit. They are. Can hear them popping. Right, I'm just going to add the onions. I've chopped up, I think there's 3 onions here. So I'm doing a few dishes. Some will go into the dal, some will go into your chicken curry, and some will go into my veg curry. That'll be them all in one pan. Just get a spoon out of there. Fry these up, and then I'm going to add some garlic, which I've got to cook. I'll do that. And I've got here, I've got some tandoori masala, turmeric, and some curry powder. I always buy these ingredients in bulk online, and I generally, there's lots of places you can get them from, but I like Whole Foods, so that's where I generally get all my lentils, all the spices, reasonably priced, and they don't charge me delivery to the island like some people do. So, fry my onions. I started prepping the veg. I've got some bits of cabbage that I need to use up. Instead of just using all the bits that I need to use up first, and then I've got bits of cauliflower, mushrooms, which I'll add. And then part of that will go into your dish. Don't worry, you still get your chicken.
I like chicken, me.
And the tatties we put in the fire before, they started to burn a little bit, so I just took them out and just chucked them in the oven. Right, so I'm going to turn that pan down a bit where I chop up some garlic. I'm just chopping the mushrooms, just cutting them in half. Right, next stage. Onions in, cooked down, added the garlic, chopped up the mushrooms, I've got a bit of cauli there, I've got some spices here. Right, I've fried off the onions and the garlic, and I've got a selection of spices that I'm going to go into there. I've got some ground coriander seeds, the full seeds that I'd fried off, and I've ground mayo. Some cumin, curry powder, tandoori powder, and turmeric. So I'm going to add this to this little pan. Let's get a spoon. So I'll add about a tablespoon, I think. We like our food quite spicy, so start with a teaspoon. You can always add stuff and season it how you like it. Put 1.5 in the quick. A few sprinkles of the cinnamon, not cinnamon, cumin, and a bit of coriander. Again, I'll just weigh it out until you know what you want. You've done it a few times, you know how you like it.
That's quite a lot of dried powder in there, Shaz. Will it get wet again?
I'm just going to stir this in, and then I'm going to just add a tiny bit of the juice from those lentils that I've just cooked.
If for people like me who hate lentils, because I detest them. I mean, I really don't like lentils.
What, really? You eat them all the time, right?
Shut up. Right, just because you sneak them in my food. Like some sort of weird subterfuge. And that's not right, that's not a functional marriage, Sharon.
You don't know.
You sneak horrible food in my food.
You're not going to have any lentils tonight. I'm just using a bit of the stock, and I'll add a bit of water. Just to... Yeah. But the lentils is going to be a separate dish. So...
You betcha. Not what I'm going to eat.
No, you've got the chicken goodness.
That smells gorgeous.
Well, this is what I mean. You do the basics here. And then I'm going to add a spoonful of this to these lentils because there's already juice and stuff in there. And the rest, this is going to be for the curry goodness, which will be your chicken curry, my veggie curry, and the dal. So it's quite easy if people want different dishes. If you do the basics, you do the veggie stuff, and then you can swap around. I'll add your chicken separately when I've taken bits of that. I've already got the mushrooms cut up, and I'll do all the mushrooms together because I know you like mushrooms in your curry anyway. And I've got a bit of cauliflower, which will be just... But then again, you look a bit of cauli, so it's just basically you can just do it all and just add your chicken, so you can have a chicken bits and all the others.
So which part are you doing now, Shaz?
I'm just cutting up your chicken pieces, and what I've done, I've just added a spoonful of this, the mix that I did before, with the onions and the spices. And then I'm just keeping a bit, I've just added my cauliflower. So this is going to be my base for the veggie dish. I've added a spoonful of that to my dal. So with that one little pan of the onions and the garlic and the spices, I've added it to the dough, your chicken, and I'm going to do a veggie dish. So it's quite easier to do.
I think the boy's like, why waste your time? Just give me raw meat. Hey boy?
You don't have any more?
But please, Daddy Mum, I really like it.
I think he senses the scissors. He knows that he can hear the scissors and he wants. You can't have any of this, mate, 'cause stop cutting it. Oh, you make me feel guilty. I want to give you some more. But you've had more than party. The other thing as well, the bag of the ends of onions, those go in the freezer and they transformed into some nice stocky goodness. Alright, so I've just separated the dishes now. So put your chicken in there with some of that, the veggie stuff that I made, and just added a tin of tomatoes, a bit of water and some spinach, and that's your curry goodness. There's my veggie curry. Again, I just added a bit more spinach, tin of tomatoes. To your curry there, I did add a bit of Greek yoghurt, and I've got my dal. It's a bit watery, so it's probably more of like a soupy thing.
Yeah, bullshit. Typical utter fucking shite that you.
So I've got all the 3 dishes. And we've got our tatties in the oven.
Hey boy?
So we've got normal tatties and sweet potatoes as well.
Well done, tatties.